This is a tour of the crossing on Brockchem Road. Let's start with this signal. We got a base that says CNR.M on it. A WRRS gate mechanism. Safe trend 12 by 20 inch lights with, I believe these are GE uniform look LEDs. And a 3-track sign because there's a track for the local freight at Dyno Nobel, in which there's a train that just went by there. Yeah, he's off there. Okay. And then this signal over here, it's a bit further away. I'm surprised this signal doesn't have bells on both sides. Anyways, I believe some of the stuff was actually reused when they moved the signal over. So we got CNR.M base, WRRS gate mechanism, 3-track sign, safe trend 12 by 20 inch lights with the GE uniform look LEDs. And then on top it's a Siemens electronic bell. Oh, I hear a train coming right now. Or maybe that's just for the crossing on Maitland. Alright, see you later, guys.